Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a tokenized portfolio with KuCoin. So just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in, and I will just move in the more icon, and after quick access you just find the AI portfolio. So create you will see the tokenized. So from here you will just analyze like this coin desk def index. So the last 24 hours is the loss percentage is 2.75%, and the last 7 days of profit plus 4.86%, and the 30 days of profit you will see the screen is plus 9.51%. So I just tap on create it. So from here you can just, there is the AI balance with the different coins, so you can just add a more coin if you have. So the total investment is 217 USDT dollars. So the advanced settings is optional. Auto rebalance, you will just tap on it. You will just set the time of rebalance by time, 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour, 1 day, 2 days and 28 days which you want to. And rebalance by coin ratio is 2%, 3%. You will just tap to confirm it with your own strategy. So from here you will also just tap on the entry price of another coins if you have, and you can just set the stop loss percent and take profit by ratio. So after complete the all things you will just tap to create it. This video help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.